Hello, good morning kids. Welcome back in our ENV class. See this picture. We eat food when we feel hungry and we drink water when we feel thirsty. Without food and water, we cannot live long because these are our basic needs. All living things need water to live. We cannot live without water. So today we are going to start our new chapter number 12, water. In this chapter, you will learn about where do we get water from, storage of water, and water and its uses. Where do we get water from? We get water from rain. The most common source of water is rain. Other sources of water are pond, lake, river, sea and ocean. Water present in sea and ocean is very salty and cannot be used for drinking. See this picture. This is river, pond, lake and sea. Water is also found under the ground. We can get this water by digging wells. A deep hole dug to get water from under the ground is called a well. In this picture, you can see that this is well. Water reaches our homes from wells, rivers, through tanks, pipes and taps. We should use this water with care. We should boil or filter tap water before drinking it. Never drink water directly from rivers and lakes. Keep drinking water covered. Water is very precious, so we should not waste water. Here are some simple ways of saving water. Do not keep the tap running when you brush your teeth. Avoid using shower. Use a bucket and mug. And close the tap properly after using water. We should not throw waste into wells, lakes, ponds or rivers. We should always keep them clean. If we throw waste into well, lakes and pond, the water of it will be dirty and we cannot use it later. Storage of water. Water can be stored in many ways. In our home, we store water in pots and buckets. We should store water in clean vessels. Water also can be stored in big tanks so that it can be used later in homes. Have you seen this type of tank in your terrace? Yes, na? So whole day we use water from these tanks. Water in rivers and other water bodies can also be stored in dams. A dam is made on rivers to hold water. Dams are huge. A dam is a wall built across a river to hold back water and store it. The stored water is used to produce electricity. Water and its uses. Water is needed for many things. Water is needed for cooking, washing and bathing. In this picture, you can see that water is needed for cooking, bathing, drinking, washing hands, washing clothes, cleaning vessels, washing cars, cleaning home, etc. Water is also needed for putting out a fire. All living things such as plants and animals need water. We need water to drink and many other things. Same that animals need water to drink and do many other things. Plants also need water to grow and make their own food. We must water the plants around us. We should drink clean water. Drinking dirty water can make us ill. We should not waste water. We should save water. Save water, save life. Bye bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe.